Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And now tap Add to Wallet button. Focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now select Loyalty program you are participating in. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.